I'm Pickles. And I'm Bananas. And today we're making a big, ginormous tray of baked Ziti. I'm gonna eat some. Here's what we'll need: 4 boxes of Ziti, 3 jars of marinara sauce, 3 packages of mozzarella, 2 eggs, and 2 jars of cottage cheese. Not ricotta. Now we're gonna boil the pasta for 10 to 12 minutes. Now we're gonna add the egg and the ricotta cheese. Now we're going to start combining the ingredients. This is called folding. Now we're back with our very hot pasta. Now we're going to add the tomato sauce. Now we're gonna mix the pasta. This looks yummy, actually. Now we're gonna top this baby off. Now all we have left to do is just bake this baby up for 350 degrees and for 1 hour.
Still just use his part?
and then we get slappy. Of ricotta cheese. Not ricotta, ricotta. 350 degrees. And for 1 second. Hour. The oven for 350 degrees. For 1 hour. Now we're going to top this mozzarella baby off with some mozzarella cheese.